Hi guys, today I have this package, which is a rectangular ceiling lamp that I received for review purposes, and I think it's really nice because, well, first it comes very well protected with foam, so let's take it out. It got lots of foam, which is really nice, and this is okay. It has a metal and wood-like design, which is really nice. It's all metal constructed, which is perfect. And you can use 3 E12 LED bulbs, which I think it's really nice. Okay, you can place them or arrange them however you like. I'm gonna place them like this. I don't know. I'm gonna see when I place them, but I think it's really beautiful. Okay, we also got the instructions, and lastly the ceiling fixture. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, that's it. It's a black metal finish, which I think it's really nice. So, well, let's go ahead and place them on the ceiling. I'll be placing it in here, so let's go. Okay, as you can see, it's already installed. It was really easy to install it. Just some basic wiring, some screws, and that's all. It uses E12 LED bulbs, which I think it's really nice. I placed these neutral white ones, and I think it looks really good. And it's nice that you can adjust how you like the rectangles depending of what you need. It's really nice, and I like it a lot. I would really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.